Hello guys, welcome back. As usual, we'll be start looking at Ethereum and then we'll move on to the BTC. Before I start, I would like to remind you, if you like and enjoying from the contents, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon so make sure you will get an instant detailed technical analysis. Let's move on. We'll be start looking at 30-minute time frame. As you know, we broke it 382 fib level. You can see it clear breakout, the retest, and from there on the bullish signal has been provided. 1 hour time frame, even though price action is healthy, we're nearly getting towards the bullish side. On the 2 hour time frame, you see we came as expected. We tested 0.5 level Fibonacci levels and we hold it and we're going up. Still bullish signal hasn't been provided yet. 4 hour time frame, as you know, we've been following this circle for the last 48 hours and we don't need it. As I said, as long as the consolidation will take place under this 4 hour time frame, you can see it. We came back literally here and from there we got rejected. We've been in this circle since 12th of January, 12 noon time, and all the way up until today. With this candle, as you can see, we broke it. Still 4 hour is, I would say, bullish. However, there are some other factors that I need to take into account which is not confirmed yet, and that's what is a bit concerning me. And we don't need this circle anymore. If we look into the daily chart is healthy and extremely bullish. However, at the same time, if we cannot break the previous high, which was, as you remember, we went and we hit dollar to dollar 1350, the lower resistance zone, upper resistance zone was 1400, and we didn't reach to that level. However, 1350 we reached dollar to dollar. So what we can expect here is, as long as we stay below 1350, ideally 1400 and 1420, let's say 1420, if we stay below, then what will happen is, as you can see, Ethereum printing a lower highs, which means, and we have to wait another couple of days to confirm it, if another lower high will be printed, and that will lead us a further, on the higher time frame, correction in the coming weeks and months. However, it is too early to talk about it, but it's good to keep an eye on it and it won't harm us. So the levels are actually clear. 1350, ideally 1420 zone. If we are below, then do not expect to further up. If we break it above, so as I said in the previous videos, we'll be moving on to a blue sky zone. Then the target zones will be provided accordingly when the time comes. Under a weekly time frame, you can see it, this candle, how the bears and bulls actually fighting over here. So we came around 900 zone, 930 I believe, and then bears pushed all the way down here, bulls pushed back. So you can see the power of the bulls. They're still in control, they're still in charge in this bull market. And I want to say this, we've got 3 days, 8 hours for this candle to close it. If we close it even within this condition, or the orange candle is much more better, which is a bullish candle. If we're going to close this candle, which is a pin bar, or in an orange color, bullish candle, we have a high chance to go to break all-time high, which is 1420, 1450 area. So as I said, bullish candle is much more better, and again we have over 3 days to follow this price action. On the 4 hour time frame, if we're going to take our fib levels, and you can see it now, we're facing another important level of 0.786, which is 1256. This is going to be another resistance for the Ethereum, and as you can see, it matched with the previous resistance zones right in here. We got rejection, went up, rejection, and then third time we went to nearly a previous all-time high, 1350. So we will be following closely. As I said, 30 minutes is already bullish, 1 hour is getting, we need to wait a confirmation, and 2 hour still under water. We'll be following in the coming hours these price actions, and you will get updated via Twitter. Let's move on to the BTC. BTC, as you can see, under half an hour time frame, we've been stuck actually in this 0.5 level, which is 34,850 area. We came and we rejected 0.66 golden zone. We went around 0.5, we got stuck a bit, and then once we broke it, the bullish signal confirmed under a half an hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Under 1 hour time frame, as you can see, once we broke 382 with this green candle, bull signal has been provided. What happened is we broke it, we retested, and we went up. And still, if we're going to look into 2 hour time frame, it is showing that we are nearly going to get a confirmation under 2 hour time frame. However, I'm waiting some sort of a pullback and then further moving upwards. 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, same as Ethereum, still bullish but not fully confirmed yet. I have concern about it. We'll be following closely. As I said, I'm expecting price went up all the way just now, $40,000, and this is a psychological level. We're seeing some sort of rejection. Maybe pullback happens around here, and then from there on we might be moving towards up. But I'm watching in this scenario 4 hour time frame. And as you can see, this circle has been provided at nearly 48 hours. We've been in this circle 1 day, nearly 20 hours. And since then, once we broke it with this candle, as well as on the 4 hour time frame, we broke 0.382 level. And since then, we just retested and we went towards to 40,000 level. And we don't need this circle anymore. If you're not following me via Twitter, I highly recommend you to follow me at CryptoMagnate8, at CryptoMagnate8, where I will post instant updates for BTC, Ethereum, and rest of the altcoins. If you have a reasonable questions regarding technical analysis, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one intense under 10-hour mentorship is available, or if you need a consultation, my DM is always open. Under a daily time frame, when we look into a daily time frame, I would say that we should break and close above 40,600 and ideally 41,000. This is our current resistance level. Clear breakout, or we have to go pull back, hold this resistance levels, become support. We should hold this support level and we have to move further up. To keep the bullish momentum, we have to break, as I said, 40,500, 600 and 41,000 ideally. However, at the same time, if we cannot manage it, what we can see is we might have a double top, potential double top, I would say, and this might be printing. And also, same as Ethereum, as you remember, we might be printing a lower highs as well if we cannot manage to break it. If we look into a RSI, under a daily time frame, it is quite reliable. As you can see, RSI with the recent high, which was the price about 42,000, RSI nearly reached to 90 level. However, we are not really far from 42,000. That you can see there is a huge gap in the RSI. And at the moment we are struggling actually to cross the level 70. And there is only 2,000 gap. We are nearly 40,000 level at the moment. And this is a 42,000. And here we are nearly 40,000 level. And as you can see, there is a huge gap between RSI 70 to 90 zone. What does this mean is RSI also a potential, once even we're going to break 42,000, there is a potential like a bear divergence maybe brewing on the RSI. Under a higher time frame, this is another concerning side and where we have to keep an eye on it, and we will be watching this price action closely. Having said that, as you can see on a weekly time frame, we're extremely bullish. Previous all-time high 2017-18 where we reached above 19,000, and you can see at RSI it was 91.17. that is the highest one. However, at the moment, if we analyze this, as I said, we were reached 85 all the way up until 90 plus. But you see it now, we are over and beyond, and this is a concerning point. At any moment the RSI may turn towards to the south and we may see some sort of consolidation. And I would say this is what we need to pay attention in the coming days and watch closely and be prepared for all the type of scenarios. Again, under 4 hour time frame, I got my new fib levels. As my previous levels worked dollar to dollar, I added right now a new fib levels. As you can see it, what we can expect is previous 4 hour candle couldn't cross 786 zone. However, current one is trying, but we've got 2 hours plus time. And if we cannot, we will be going and testing further down, and the pullback actually be provided under a lower time frame is nearly going to confirm 2 hours time frame. It's just confirmed. 2 hour time frame is now confirmed, but we may be going towards the south, and then pullback may take a place and give another chance to us to enter, and we might ride the trend upwards. If you like and enjoy from the contents, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also press that bell button so make sure you will get an instant updates. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.